The S.O.L.D system is essentially a strategic step-by-step method for folks to get a steady stream of organic leads for free. The goal? To help people build up leads organically until they're ready to scale strategically with paid ads. You know, a lot of people dive into paid ads way too soon and get burned. The real issue with organic lead generation so far? It's been all over the place. No real strategy, no step-by-step approach, just a lot of guessing, which leads to shallow marketing. And when one thing doesn't work, they hop to the next, never really mastering anything. So, what's the S.O.L.D system all about? It's a guide on how to strategically and sequentially get leads from 12 key channels, in this particular order and this particular sequence. We're talking video marketing, local marketing, mobile marketing, social media marketing, checking out your analytics, doing some competitive research, proper branding, content creation. Think graphic design, banners, videos, articles, webinars, and podcast episodes that show off your business. Then there's content marketing, showcasing that content in the right places and at the right times, and getting your content out there on all of your different platforms. Putting together a schedule or social media publishing calendar. Next is content syndication, a step many miss out on. Think about McDonald's for a second. They're not just about burgers. They're big on distribution. It's the same with content. Don't just stick it on your own channel. Syndicate it everywhere. Share it on other platforms, like article publishing platforms. Be a guest blogger to get exposure to other audiences for free. And you can even be a guest on other people's podcasts. This all helps to expand your organic reach. And when it comes to videos, don't just stop at YouTube. In addition to the other well-known social media platforms like Facebook, now Meta, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, now X, there are also perhaps lesser-known, but no less effective video sharing sites that include Vimeo, Veo, Dailymotion, Twitch, and many more. By using this one method, your one video can be seen in so many places. That's how you develop synergy. Synergy is like when you and your friends team up in a game, and together, you're way stronger than playing alone. The same applies with your lead generation. Imagine pulling in 10 to 25 leads from one channel each and every single day and another bunch from a different one on that same day, all going into one funnel. That's not a trickle, that's a flood, and it's all free. Then with all of the information you've gathered in the previous 10 channels, you can then take step number 11, which is creating targeted campaigns to attract and generate leads, then finally move into paid ads. Essentially, the S.O.L.D system, unlike any other lead generation method out there, is predicated on lead synergy, which is proprietary to the S.O.L.D system's outlined sequence of lead generation steps, where one step builds on the previous one. We're the only lead generation system out there in the market that has it, and has systematized lead generation in this way. That's our secret sauce, and that's how the S.O.L.D system works. That's also why the S.O.L.D system is the world's #1 lead generation system on the planet. So, in a nutshell, the S.O.L.D lead gen system is your 12-step guide to strategically getting organic leads whenever you want. And when you've got that down, you can start thinking about paid ads, if you really ever want to. And that's because the S.O.L.D system generates free traffic and leads on autopilot and increases your business by 100 to 500% in as little as 12 weeks or 100 days. Without spending a dime on advertising or ads, ever. That's the magic of the S.O.L.D system. So, if you want to bring in a steady stream of ready-to-buy prospects and hot organic leads on demand, funneling into your business, so you can grow and attend to the things that really matter, go ahead and check out the information below to get started. Because remember, no leads, no legacy, because leads are the first step in your journey to setting yourself free. And your legacy starts with leads. So, go ahead and get in touch with us to get started on the free S.O.L.D lead generation system today. We can't wait to work with you. P.S. Act now to be one of the first 25 people to get 12 free lead generation bonuses when you act today. Go ahead and get started right now. More information below. See you on the other side.